To calculate an estimate of your CalSTRS monthly retirement benefit, visit calstrs.com and select Calculators from the Members menu. Next, click on Retirement Benefits Calculator. Select the benefit structure you fall under, CalSTRS 2% at 60 or 62. If you were hired before December 31, 2012, you are under the CalSTRS 2% at 60 benefit structure. Enter your projected retirement date, your date of birth, and your years of service credit that you expect to have at retirement. Enter your years of other service credit expected at retirement. Enter the amount of sick leave credit, including sick leave days and contract-based service days. CalSTRS will convert sick leave days to service credit at retirement. If you are unsure of either of these amounts, you may leave these fields blank. Select whether you plan to receive a retirement incentive. Enter your annual salaries from your highest 3 consecutive years of work. Last, if you'd like to include an option beneficiary in your calculation, enter the beneficiary's birth date and select your relationship. Only one beneficiary is allowed for the online estimate. Once all the information is entered, click Calculate and your estimate will appear on the screen. To compare different retirement dates or other estimate scenarios, select Return to Calculator and click Reset at the bottom of the page. If you are unsure about how to answer portions of this calculator, access the CalSTRS Member Handbook online or contact your employer. If you are ready to start planning your retirement, schedule a benefits planning session.